Hey guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to scratch in a virtual DJ or how to go for custom scratching in virtual DJ to have effective music. Either it's MP3 or video format, that doesn't matter. On any songs, it can be executed effectively according to your own specialized or designed your own designed DnA scratching. You can of course use. So how you will do it? See, just I open here virtual DJ, and if I would like to just play one scratching point, how it's coming, let's see. So see guys, here just I am scratching. One I have scratches, this one. Second is, see, if I press the one key, then how it will impact, see. So how it's coming. Second one, see guys. So how is scratching. Now third one, see. Third one, see guys, here just I would like to show you. So of course fourth one, see guys. So by your key, according to your computer key, just you need to set up. So I will show you in this video tutorial practically how you will design. So see, next if I would like to have a next one scratching, how it will, let's see. Suppose fourth one, see guys. So of course fifth one, let's see guys, here. So of course, according to your own visualization, no problem at all, you can design it. Similarly, if I would like to scratch in a see, I have selected already here. If I would like to show you this B deck, but I would like to scratch on especially deck A without selection. So just I have a selected key, and now see a scratching point here. So now second one is scratching, see. Now see that. So now next scratching point, see guys, here. So see guys, according to your own visualization, of course, in your own way you can scratch. And if you would like to go for just with a little sound scratching, then of course you can here edit it also according to your own way. Now suppose here, see guys, I would like to here DA. So just I would like to edit, and I would like to have here E point. So now see how it will come. Just I have taken here in a baby scratching one. So now see, I would like to show you here with sorry, it's a back spin. Let me this one. This is a scratching point. Let me wait guys, here just I'm confused now which key I have selected here. So for baby scratching, let's play. let me just it's not going to play, so just I need we don't have elected here guys, this one pad, so let me check it out firstly. Let me see guys, this one's, oh sorry, I haven't actually elected here, so that's why. Let me have a pad 1 here, so I will set up the one pad first. So if I see, we don't have a one pad guys here, so I need to edit here, and I will take a pad 1. Now just let me once again, L is a 2, so I will copy from here, and once again I will go for, now let me this one pad 1, so just I will cut this one and I will paste and I will generate a 1. So now see guys, here it's a finally I have saved. Now see guys, here once again I will come in a edit, and of course it's a DNA scratching. Now fine. Now see guys, here if I play with the key, so quietly fine guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Furthermore, any inquiry related to this, of course blindly raise guys, I will assist you. This is all about in this video tutorial. Thank you guys, thank you very much, have a great time.